Sakti. The Sakti Potri Malargal mantra has these lines in them. Om Nathigar Tamayum Alvai Potrivom. Om Jnanam Tarunal Marunde Potrivom. Whenever I read these mantra words in my daily puja, I am always surprised at these words and I wonder at its meaning. Do the words mean that the Divine Mother would rule an atheist? Or is it the knowledge imparted to them that is implied? And is the mother waiting for the atheist to give them that wisdom? How is it possible? Then I came to hear about the following incident which explained these divine words to me. A bus driver, Paneer Selvam, in his daily journey en route Melmaruvattu temple from Vizhupuram to Chennai, was in the habit of making fun of the temple and Amma and the devotees who come there. He was receiving treatment for a heart condition for over 20 years from the government hospital. One day, the doctor he was consulting with told him that all of his heart valves were blocked and he did not have much hope of recovery through allopathy medicines. The doctor further suggested that he try alternative medication and recommended a prominent Siddha doctor called Dr. Arjunan. Dr. Arjunan resided in Chidambaram and happened to be a devotee of Arul Thiru spiritual guru Bangaru Amma. Mr. Paneer Selvam visited Chidambaram to consult the Siddha doctor. He explained about how the allopathy doctors had given up on him. He expressed his concern for his survival and his responsibility towards his 2 unmarried daughters. Dr. Arjunan said, "But there is a best doctor you can go to. Just visit him. His mere look will cure you and you will return to normalcy." Mr. Paneer Selvam inquired anxiously, "Who is it? Is it a doctor in Melmaruvattur hospital?" Dr. Arjunan replied, "No, the doctor is inside the Adiparashakti temple. He is the one that the world addresses as Adigalar, the spiritual guru, and is an incarnate of that glorious deity." Mr. Paneer Selvam exclaimed, "Don't be ridiculous, doctor. Is he a doctor to cure me? Every day during my drive from Vizhupuram to Chennai, I have made so much fun of the temple, the deity, and the Red Clan devotee crowd with the guru. Ever since I was 17, I have been an atheist and have always won acclaim for being a rationalist of all time. I do not believe in God and just cannot do it now." The Siddha doctor says, "If you want to be saved for the sake of your girls, then you have to go there." So he took his medicine bag and a small offering with 2 bananas with betel leaves on a plate as the doctor had instructed and went to the temple. For the first time in many years, he approached Arulkodam as a child once again. Arulkodam is the place where the spiritual guru gives his divine oracles and audience to devotees. As he neared the Arulkodam and stood there, he watched many devotees doing Pada Puja to His Holiness Bangaru Adigalar, known as Amma. He witnessed Amma inquire after devotees' families and impart life teachings. He watched Amma give advice about medicines and tell them everything right from lifestyle changes to be incorporated in their lives. Mr. Paneer Selvam, watching everything, was surprised to see a guru giving so much comfort, courage, and clarity to those who come to seek his advice. All these years he has been under such a wrong notion that devotees came to the temple to only bow down to the idol and then leave. Here was a person who was more affectionate than a mother, giving and sharing so much courage, comfort, and clarity to his devotees. He was shocked how wrong he had been. Just then, the last of the devotees left and Amma noticed him. Amma asked him, "Are you waiting there for a long time?" "I just came to see you," answered Mr. Paneer Selvam. "When you have come to see me, why are you standing there?" asked Amma. Mr. Selvam hesitantly replied, "I just don't know how to come to you." At that, Amma jokingly invited him, "You have to just climb up these steps and come to me." Mr. Paneer Selvam walked up a few steps and reached Amma. "What is the matter?" asked Amma. "Dr. Arjunan told me to come to you." "Why?" asked Amma. "I have a heart condition. All the doctors have given up hope. But he told me if I see you, I will become all right." Amma asked, "What? Am I a doctor?" Mr. Selvam says, "I asked him the same thing, but he said if I visited you, I will be fine." Amma says, "So you believed him and have come to me, is it?" You have been a rationalist during your young age, and after having spent all your years, today you have come to me. With what belief? He answers, I was told you would cure me and I will become normal. Hence I have come to you. I thought about my daughters' lives, and for their sake I have come to you. You have come here merely on the belief of someone having told you, keeping aside all your atheistic thoughts. Please come here. Come near me. While coming near, Mr. Selvam unknowingly kneels down. Amma keeps both her divine palms on his head and asks, How old are you? Mr. Selvam answered, I am 48 years old. Amma said, Do not worry. You will live to be 90. My own disciples will come as grooms for your daughters. This is a mother's blessing for coming here just on the advice of someone leaving aside all your atheistic thoughts that you have had from youth. Do not worry, I will be with you forever. Amma not only saved his life, but also imparted the wholesome wisdom that saved his life. Om Shakti.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the Bangaru Amma Global YouTube channel for more inspiring and uplifting videos like this one.